participants. If you have any queries, you can post in the chat box.
If there are no queries, either the concept what I have told is well known to the people, or they are not able to understand what I have said.
Sir, we have one query.
Yes.
How to relate data science and data mining?
How to relate?
Data science and data mining.
Yeah, that is what I have already told you. If you look at, just kindly show the data science slide to them. In that, I have already written that. Yeah, I am coming to the point. The data science is majoritarily it is 50%, 50 to 60% it is depending on data mining only. And all these things, techniques are used on the data, and thereby we study the scientific properties of data, that is nothing but the data science. So both are related, and around 10 to 15% machine algorithm is used, and around 10% the pattern recognition technique is used, like that, the other aspects. So but 50 to 60%, if you look at the data science, only data mining principles are used. That is why the topic itself, the data science through data mining. If you are able to understand data mining very well, then data science is very, very easy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your explanation.
Yeah, next question.
What exactly the maximum likelihood?
Yeah, maximum likelihood principle is nothing but if the person was asked, and he should be knowing statistical principles, and in sampling analysis, the concept of maximum likelihood estimate is coming, and so it is based on EM algorithm, that is expectation and maximum. Say whenever you are doing a business, you are having a lot of expectations, so how to get maximum profit out of it, and for that type of situation, using the data, this maximum likelihood estimate is used. I already shown in one of the slides, the maximum likelihood estimate is defined in the form of the product of some functions, and thereby we have to find out what is the maximum. Then you have to differentiate, first differentiation, second differentiation, and as a mathematical differentiation you have to do, and thereby you are finding the parameter out of which you are getting the maximum parameter, and that gives you the maximum likelihood estimate. That means it's the predictive estimate. So that is about maximum likelihood estimate. Next question.
Thank you, sir. We have another query.
Yeah.
What are some real-time examples where both data science and data mining are used collectively?
The real-time example, say the data science and data mining, I am just giving you a very interesting thing. Now, when see, it is mostly we are all enjoying gas in the house, correct? The gas we are getting through ONGC drilling operations. Now, when you are drilling beneath the earth, and say in Assam area, they are drilling up to 4,500 meters drilling, and around 300 to 400 wells are drilled in Assam area. I was also there in Nazira, Sibsagar areas, and optimization of the drilling parameters. I carried out some around 25 lakhs of projects there. Now what is happening here, and when you are drilling, lot of problems, because when you are sending the drill bit inside the earth, lot of problems are occurring and dealing with drilling parameters. At that time exactly you have lot of data, so that data is nothing but the database. Using specific data processing we get that data, and all stored in database. But suddenly when you are foreseeing some problem there, without any expectation you get some kind of problem. At that time only data mining is used actually. Data mining is used there, and thereby you come out from the problem. And once you are coming out from the problem, further drilling is going on. So the whole concept about the data, the scientific principles are used in terms of the data mining. And so that is the link between the data science and data mining in realistic situations in oil industries. Okay, next question please.
Okay, sir. Next question. How we can use of PR in data science?
Yeah, ER. ER is, again I told you, I have already shown you some slides here, and you have got a relational database model I have already displayed, their entity relationship model. So the data science, definitely you are dealing with the data. When you are dealing with the data, beginning itself I said the whole data will be heterogeneous and it will not be homogeneous. So you have to segment, you have to do some kind of partition techniques, and thereby you get different samples, and each sample you have to classify, associate, cluster, etc. And once you are doing it, independently each sample will follow the ER diagram. So ER is used there. So wherever you are dealing with data, definitely you have to use ER in the form of the relational, mostly third normal form. In tabular form it is used. So this is about the question. Next.
Thank you, sir. How to purify huge data in data science, and can you explain some algorithm to purify the data?
Yes. The purification of the data, that is what at the beginning I said, that the cleanness of data. The cleanness of data is done like that. Say for example, I have a data, consider a set of, a very simple example I give, and the same simple example you can globalize. When I say a set of animal, for example, I say a set of animal, and that set is consisting of line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, dog 1, dog 2, dog 3, and tiger 1, tiger 2, tiger 3, like that. So here I call that it is a set of animals only, whereas this set can be segregated into 3 subsets, that is set of lions, set of tiger, set of donkeys, set of monkeys, like that. So when you as such look at the set of animals, and but you are looking of only set of lines, the other data they are not relevant, so you have to remove them, and when you remove them you are getting a subset of only lion, so that means the data is clean. So this is the simplest visualization of understanding the cleanness of data. Next please.
Thank you, sir. Next question. What are the steps in making a decision tree?
Yeah, efficiency, what you have to do, when you are, efficiency is totally depending on when you are expecting a result out of data and you are applying, is the beginning itself I told you while talking about the algorithm. When you are applying one algorithm, you are expecting some result, but result is not coming. Then you have to look for alternative algorithm. Then once you are applying that, you may get the results actually. But efficiency, because when the output is somewhat matching with your outcome expected, that is called efficiency, that is in terms of the results. Another efficiency, in terms of speed we have to think. In terms of speed we have to think. In terms of accuracy we have to think. So both the factors are put together, then efficiency in the algorithm is really what is expected by the mankind in data science. Next please.
Thank you, sir. Next question. Is there any disadvantage of data mining in our industry? What is its limitations?
Yeah, data mining has got no limitation at all, because data mining in fact is very widely used, and I'm telling you that it is the future of data science actually. Data science is totally depending on data mining techniques, and as part of the, with the help of the data mining, and it is also applied in many areas. As such, there is no deficiency, and nobody has proved that the limitation of data mining techniques actually, because when database and other techniques are failing, at that time it is giving the helping hand. So there is no question of thinking about the deficiency of data mining. Yeah, next.
Thank you, sir. How to choose the right data mining algorithm? What are the factors we should look for when we choose an algorithm?
Yeah, very correct. So for any problem, when you are choosing the algorithm, say for example, say you are simple in a very raw sense and common man sense. Supposing I want to draw a arts, I want to draw some arts, say, but then immediately what I have to make, I have to make a kind of outline of arts, and then slowly I have to paint so that you get arts. But outline itself is looking like a donkey, and your expectation is arts, but your output becomes a donkey. So outcome and output both are not matching. So that is nothing bad. What is algorithm here? The algorithm is nothing bad the drawing the outline. So similarly, when you are dealing with any kind of data, you have to think, say from the data, whether it is going to form a linear regression, then I have to think about the linear model. When it is making a parabolic look, then I have to use the parabolic structure, and thereby I have to apply least square technique like that. So that is in fact a kind of inferential analysis, but absolutely there is no harm when you are applying a very closer algorithm. If you fail, then immediately you are applying the alternative algorithm. There you are getting the success. So that way, initially on the data, trial and error method only they do. By means of experience, then you will be in a position to apply right algorithm. Next question, please.
Thank you, sir. What are the algorithms used in data science?
Yeah, I already mentioned, all whatever the principles I have told in data mining. In data mining nowadays, data science, all user-friendly manner. The algorithms are available, and they are in fact the cloud computing is helping. And IBM cloud computing, if you go and metered service are available, thereby you can select any type of algorithm, and automatically they are also suggesting, it is prompting you which type of algorithm you can use like that. So plenty of algorithms are available today. Absolutely there is no shortage. Yeah, it is well developed science now.
Thank you, sir. How the data science is developing as technology grows?
Yeah, data science, I am telling you, as technology growth, it is in fact never-ending process, and so far as data is there, and it is growing like anything, and various technologies are coming up based on the research by researchers, and a number of people are working in data science and data mining and machine algorithm and so on and so forth. So it is in tune with the time, it is growing a lot, and data science, it is exactly like Diwali is no Diwali without crackers. Similarly, data is no data without data science. Next.
Thank you, sir. Next question. How data mining is effective for increasing productivity of any industry?
Yeah, I already told you, because data mining is a very important technology as part of data science. And data science, without data science, any company progress is lost. So when they are applying data science, definitely data mining is a very good technology as a tool for data science. So next.
We have a next question, sir. Are there any challenges faced while using data mining in terms of privacy and security?
As such, there is no challenges actually, but challenges is only sometimes when you are unable to understand the algorithm, and say while running the algorithm only some challenges will come because of data error. So that data error, once cleanness of data is done, then the challenge is resolved actually. Next.
What are the common issues faced during data mining process?
The common issues mostly I already told you in terms of clustering, association, and association, classification, clustering. These are the common issues basically. Because if association, clustering, and these things are association, clustering, they are not properly taken care, that becomes the issue in data mining. See, I should associate a donkey with the donkey, but not with monkey. Simple way, yeah.
Thank you, sir. Participants, is there any other queries?
Anyway, no problem. Let us allow time to all the participants, and I have given a very, I hope I have created interest in the data mining as part of data science, and people can refer any data mining book. Even I myself have written a book with the Canadian author, Data Mining Concepts, and it's a very wonderful domain, future technology and future of data science. If you have any other query, you can always write to me. My email ID Dr S Sridhar at yahoo.com, and my website is also available, drsridhar.net. You can go through, and many number of my webinar talks are there, my own YouTube talks are there, and you can subscribe, and you can, so whatever I know during this brainstorming session I could answer, and more details I love to provide. I am available 24/7. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It was an eye-opening session for many beginners in the field of data science. Now I call upon Dr. P. Annie Princy ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable presentation.
Nice of you for arranging this talk. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So on behalf of our management, Principal Dr. K. Mani, and Head of the Department, Dr. M. Helga Mercy, I thank all the participants who attended the webinar with the grand success. So dear participants, kindly fill the feedback form which will be posted in the WhatsApp group and get the e-certificate. So once again, I thank all the participants. Thank you all.